A Technology Stock Guide. Chapter 2. Tech Stocks Guide. Tech Stocks Info. High technology is the last frontier. Many of the new businesses revolve around some type of technology, whether it is directly computer-related, communications or somehow tied in with the Internet. Some other areas are biotechnology, electronics, fiber optics, mainframe computers, medical technology, microchips, personal computers, satellite TV, semiconductors, software, weapons. Although tech stocks decline during bear markets, they have proven to have outperformed other stocks, rebounding more sharply in subsequent recoveries. If you hit the right one, you could earn big, something like a 2,000% increase in your investment in a few years. There are three major advantages that point to small companies. They are generally free from government regulation because their earnings are often in a new field. The company stands to gain a lot of ground if they come up with a unique idea. The growing market will be theirs to dominate. The impact their earnings will have on their financial status will be considerable, therefore, a success can increase their profitability greatly. There are several rules to follow if you choose to be an investor in this high-risk market. Firstly, do not be fooled by the size of the company. It is important to investigate the high-technology expertise of the firm and find out if it is a meaningful part of the firm's business. Secondly, it is vital that the company is serving a current social need in the marketplace. For example, cable was first introduced in the 1960s to investors long before it could draw subscribers because there were so few television stations back then anyway. It's all about creating new products with mass appeal, hence, large amounts of money spent on research which sometimes yield no results. Look for companies that are operating in the black. Companies that offer terrific scientific breakthroughs but operate at a deficit are just too risky. Ignore market indexes. Companies with technological superiority are not tied to any stock market index. They're winners regardless of the rest of the economy. Beware of competition from foreign companies which often manufacture high-tech products for much cheaper than their American counterparts, case in point, the computer microchip. Lastly, keep current on all technological innovations. Buy trade magazines and read scientific papers and investment guides that deal with technology-related fields. Tech stock websites: dbc.com, herring.com, internetnews.com/stocks, invest2000.com, investintech.com, mbizcentral.com, mbusinessdaily.com, nasdaqnews.com, nasdaqtrader.com, news.com, pcquote.com, siliconinvestor.com, techinvestingonline.com, texta.com, techstocks, techstocks.com, techweb.com, wallstreetandtech.com, biotech stocks, bioportfolio.com, newsrx.com/newsletters/biotech-week, en.wikipedia.org/wiki/nasdaq_biotechnology_index, thestreet.com/stocks/biotech, Nature Biotechnology, 800-524-0384, biotech.nature.com, Internet stocks. It was an age of fun. An age of wealth. An age of excess. An age of ego. An age of fantasy. Then it all came crashing down as most things too good to be true are. Quote from ex-internet big shot. The most popular uses for the internet are pornography and chat rooms. People will use it to network in business and to send emails, but other than that, it's a big wasteland for meaninglessness. Don't buy stocks which sell things on the internet except for Amazon and eBay. Buy the companies that build the internet infrastructure: Cisco, Selectron, Lucent, Intel, Microsoft, Sun Microsystems, Vodafone Group, MCI WorldCom, EMC, some of which have seen hard times lately. Fast Company and Wired are Generation X type magazines with some interest in the Internet. There are a few e-commerce investing type books at number 332.6028 or HF4515 at the library. 100hot.com. business2.com. businessweek.com/technology. cnet.com. computernewsdaily.com. ecommercetimes.com. edtn.com. forbes.com. forbesasap.com. idg.net. internet.com. internetnews.com. internetstocks.com. investols.com. isdx.com, Internet Stock Index. mediacentral.com. msnbc.com. netmarketmakers.com. netstocks.com. news.com. newslinks.com. newspage.com. quotes.gold.com. salon.com. sjmercury.com/gmsv. /.org. stockmaster.com. tbtf.com. techstocks.com. techweb.com. usatoday.com/life/cyber/tech. wired.com/news. wtonline.com. zdnet.com. zdnet.com/zdnn. Chapter 2. Tech Info. Tech Magazines. Business 2.0. Imagine Media. 150 North Hill Drive, Brisbane, California 94005. 415-468-4684. ImagineMedia.com. Major magazine which analyzes Internet companies. California Technology Stock Letter. 800-998 CTSL. CTSL.com. Computer Letter. 212-343-1900. TPSite.com. Computer World. POG 2043. Marion, Ohio 43305-2043. 800-552-4431. Great Column, Weekend Stocks. Fast Company. 77N Washington St. Boston, Massachusetts 02114. 800-688-1545. FastCompany.com. Good mixture of business, job search, and computers. High-Tech Stocks Newsletter. Lombardi Pub. 350 Fifth Avenue. Number 3304. NYC 10118-0069. Red Herring. Business of Technology. 1550 Bryant St. Number 450. SF California 94103. 800-627-4931. 415-865-2277. Fax, 415-865-2280. info@redherring.com. redherring.com. Big Internet Magazine, offers several newsletters as well. Science News. 800-552-4412. sciencenews.com. Technology Investor. 270 Madison Avenue. NYC 10016. 615-377-0525. Fax, 800-713-6612. technologyinvestor.com. Technology Review. 201 Vassar St. W59-200. Cambridge, Massachusetts 02139. 800-877-5230. techreview.com. Technology Review Magazine. 201 Vassar St. W59-200. Cambridge, Massachusetts 02139. 800-877-5230. techreview.com. Wired. 800-769-7433. Wired.com, Tech News, BusinessWire.com, Catchup.cnet.com, CBS.marketwatch.com, CIO.com, classifieds.news.com.au/ni/netnews, CNET.com, CNET.com, Tech News, CNN.com/tech/index, CNN.com/tech, CNN.com/CNN/programs/CNN.com, CNNFN.com/services/FNOnair/whatsoen/movers, CNNFN.com/services/FNOnair/whatsoen/biz.unusual, ComputerNewsDaily.com, DummiesDaily.com, FindsVP.com, FRE-HELP.com, FSB.com/FortunesB, Future.Newsday.com, Economist.com/editorial/free-for-all/library/index_special_collection.html, science and technology section, Gina.com, idg.net, individual.com, informationweek.com, mediacentral.com, mercurycenter.com, sjmercury.com, tech news, mit.edu/afs/athena/org/t/techreview/www/tr.html, mukunzofts.com/techno_used.php, netsurf.com, news.bbc.co.uk/hi/english/sci/tech, news.com, newsfactor.com, newsforge.com, newslinks.com, newspage.com, ntk.net, weekly high-tech summary, office.com, pathfinder.com/netly, philips.com/mmwire, multimedia, prnewswire.com, ptech.wsj.com, siliconvalley.com, sjmercury.com/gmsv, /.com, techupdate.zdnet.com, techweb.com, thefeature.com, themoneyworld.com, theregister.co.uk, /.org, tipworld.com, tv.com, usatoday.com/life/cyber/tech, wired.com/news, wired.com, wsdia.org, Wall Street Technology Association, wtonline.com, zdnet.com/zdnn, computer magazines. Several of these magazines have job ads at the back. adage.com, advertising online, advisor.com, aiim.org/inform, information management, bedfordmags.com, boardwatch.com, businesswire.com, byte.com, ccnmag.com, California, comptia.org, computing channels, cpuniverse.com, contract professional, credible.com,